master bedroom, living. We're walking into master bathroom, Korean, extra space, carpet, tile on the master, and the shower. We've got front bedroom, closet, second bedroom, no ceiling fan in here, carpet, remodeled hall bathroom, painted carpet in pretty good shape. Doors needs trims, linen room, wood floors, wood laminate floor throughout upstairs in good shape. We've got inside laundry. This could be a fourth bedroom, but it's really it doesn't have a closet, so it's a bonus room, and then an additional open loft area that could even be set up, easily remodeled into a fifth bedroom. Wood laminate in the stairs. Most of the doors will require trim. Partially finished room. And then we've got the fourth bedroom, which is downstairs. Downstairs bathroom, which will need to be remodeled or refinished. And then a large living space, dining area, and then the kitchen. Cabinets will need to be refaced, redone, and countertops. Appliances in good condition, and we have a pantry.